Very warmest welcome to everyone in my new video. Today we are going to talking about the BHU 2016 MSc Honors Food Technology question paper. Now the question number 1. Thermophilic bacteria grows based in the temperature range of 50 to 65 degrees centigrade. Question 2. Most bacteria requires water activity in the range of option 4 0.90 to 1.0. Question number 3. Fiber in food helps lower the cholesterol level. Question number 4. Microwave heating takes place at option 2 950 to 2450 megahertz. Question number 5. The Z value in the thermal death time calculation. Answer is number of degree required for a specific thermal death time curve to pass through one log cycle. Question number 6. Canning of vegetable pieces requires option 3 combination of conduction and convection heating. Question number 7. Lethal rate in canned food should be answer 1.0. Question number 8. Coffee beans are best roasted for desired optimum flavor of answer 4 260 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Question number 9. Sodium benzoate is most effective preservative in the pH range of answer 2.5 to 4.0. Question number 10. Aspartame is sweeter than sucrose. Option 4 200 times. Question number 11. Gelatin type A is mostly used in answer confectionery product. Question number 12. Saffron is dried stigma of answer Crococcus sativus. Question number 13. Polydextrose is used for replacement of answer fat. Question number 14. Potassium sorbate is effective antimicrobial agent against option 3 fungi. Question number 15. Clostridium botulinum micro microorganism is most effectively controlled by answer sodium nitrite. Question number 16. Pectin for high degree of esterification contain value of answer 4 50. Question number 17. Niacin preservative is produced by answer Lactococcus lactis ssp lactis. Question number 18. Total permitted synthetic food color are listed under PFA. Answer 8. Question number 19. Citric acid is most favorably used as answer acidulant. Question number 20. Norbaxin is used as coloring matter in answer butter. Question number 21. Tea leaf for black tea is processed at answer 27 degrees centigrade for 2 to 5 hours. Question number 22. Coaching process in chocolate manufacture. Answer increase smoothness and viscosity. Question number 23. Calcium sulfate is best suitable coagulant for soya paneer production at coagulation temperature of answer 3 85 to 90 degrees centigrade. Question number 24. Retrogradation of starch involve answer reassociation of starch polymer molecules. Question number 25. FPO stands for fruit products order. Question number 26. Respiratory activity in climatic fruit. Answer increase after harvest. Question number 27. Tomato ketchup contain minimum tomato solid in final product. Answer 26%. Question number 28. Cane sugar is inverted during the manufacture of jam or jelly to the extent of answer 50 to 55%. Question number 29. High acid food contain pH less than 3.5. Question number 30. Food additive help in answer to increase the aesthetic quality. Question number 31. Cereal are generally deficient in answer lysine. Question number 32. Fruit and vegetable lose moisture during storage due to answer transpiration. Question number 33. Fruit jelly contain fruit as per PFA requirement. Answer 45%. Question number 34. Tomato ketchup contains sodium benzoate at maximum permissible level of answer 750 ppm part per million. Question number 35. First food processing industry was established in India. Answer 1942. Question number 36. The maximum post harvest losses occur in vegetable. Answer tomato. Question number 37. Which of the following is non climatic fruit? Answer lychee. Question number 38. Very good quality of raw milk as per ISI standard consists of answer 3. Not exceeding 2 lakh. Question number 39. Homogenization of milk breaks down the fat globules of milk to answer 2 micron. Question number 40. Flavored milk drink contain fat level. Answer 1 to 2%. Question number 41. Recombined milk as per PFA standard contain answer 3.0% fat and 8.5% SNF. Question number 42. Centrifugal separation involves revolution of revolving bowel. Answer 3000 to 6000 times of gravitational force. Question number 43. Coffee cream contain milk fat. Answer 20 to 25%. Question number 44. Double toned milk contain PFA requirement of answer 1.5% fat and 9.0% SNF. Question number 45. The optimum churning temperature of cream for the manufacturing of butter should be answer 9 to 11 degrees centigrade. Question number 46. The optimum fat percentage of cream for the manufacturing of butter answer 30 to 35%. Question number 47. Ice cream as per PFA requirement should contain minimum fat answer 10%. Question number 48. Hard cheese as per PFA requirement should contain minimum fat on dry matter basis. Answer 42%. Meitu is used for clotting of milk at the temperature of answer 30 degrees centigrade. Question number 50. Cooking of cheese curd is carried out at answer 40 degrees centigrade for 60 minutes. Question number 51. Cold curing of cheddar cheese is carried out answer 0 to 4 degrees centigrade for 6 to 8 months. Question number 52. Processed cheese contain fat as per PFA specification. Answer 40% milk fat. Question number 53. Sweetened condensed milk as per PFA specification contain answer 9% fat and 31% total milk solid. Question number 54. Sweetened condensed milk contains sucrose to the level of answer 40%. Question number 55. Entertainment separator in vacuum concentration of milk help in answer to reclaim the particles of milk entertained by vapor space. Question number 56. Lactose crystallization in sweetened condensed milk is carried out. Answer alpha lactose monohydrate. Question number 57. Heat stability in milk is improved by answer lowering the concentration of calcium and magnesium ion. Question number 58. Whole milk powder should contain maximum moisture on weight basis. Answer 4%. Question number 59. Spray dried whole milk powder should contain insolubility index of answer 2 ml. Question number 60. Milk for spray drying are concentrated to the total solid level of answer 40%. Question number 61. Cyclone separator in spray drying process removes the powder particle on the basis of answer centrifugal force. Question number 62. Bulk density of roller dried milk powder should contain answer 3 0.3 to 0.5 gram per ml. Question number 63. The major whey protein are okay. These are the three major whey protein. Okay, alpha lactalbumin and immunoglobulins and beta lactoglobulins. Question number 64. Malted milk powder contain milk fat. Answer not less than 7%. Question number 65. The massing process in malted milk involve answer breakdown of polysaccharides. Question number 66. Khoa as per PFA specification contain milk fat. Answer not less than 10% milk fat. It means 5.8%. Question number 67. The half variety of khoa is suitable for answer Pantoa. Question number 68. Among the indigenous dairy product, the fermented dairy product is answer 3 Srikhand. Question number 69. Paneer contain milk fat as per PFA specification. Answer not less than 50% on dry matter basis. Question number 70. Good quality of rasgulla sweets from Chhena can be prepared from answer 4.0% milk fat. Question number 71. The shelf life of paneer under refrigerated storage. Answer 7 days. Question number 72. Ghee as per PFA specification contain moisture. Answer not more than 0.5%. Question number 73. De-aeration process in fruit juice processing involves answer minimizes destruction of vitamin C. Question number 74. Fruit pieces before processing are dipped into sugar syrup. Answer: to minimize the oxidative browning reaction. Question number 75. The most common sugar used in soft drink is answer: high fructose corn syrup. Question number 76. Hard wheat is preferred for answer: bread. Question number 77. Maillard reaction in food refers to answer: reaction between protein and carbohydrate. Question number 78. Blanching treatment in fruit and vegetable answer: inactivate enzymes. Question number 79. Moisture content in fruit and vegetable is answer: between 90 to 95%. Question number 80. The percent of edible oil in rice bran is about 18 to 20%. Question number 81. The most heat resistance enzyme in fruit and vegetable is answer: peroxidase. Question number 82. Fruit and vegetable are generally preferred in human diet because answer: high vitamin and mineral content. Question number 83. The baking temperature and time combination in cake is answer: 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Question number 84. Steeping preservation of fruit and vegetable refers answer: the combination of all the above. Now question number 85. Fruit and vegetable are generally dried at answer: 50 to 55 degrees centigrade for 6 to 8 hours. Question number 86. Marmalade is basically answer: addition of citrus peel in fruit jelly. Question number 87. Climatic fruit are generally harvested answer: at under ripe stage. Question number 88. Lye peeling is generally carried out in answer: guava. Question number 89. Self-stable food are generally stored at answer: ambient storage temperature. Question number 90. The taste of slaughtered mutton is increased during answer: post rigor stage. Question number 91. A fruit which develop from an inflorescence is known as answer: composite fruit. Question number 92. Asepsis refers to answer: keeping out of microorganism. Question 93. Whey, byproduct of cheese, paneer, chena and srikhand, is rich source of answer: lactose. Question number 94. Ethylene is most optimum for ripening in fruit at the concentration of answer: 100 to 1000 per liter. Question number 95. Endosperm of food grain is rich in answer: starch. Question number 96. The sweetness in corn sugar is due to answer: fructose. Question number 97. Dry milling of corn kernel is conditioned to the moisture content of answer: 10 to 12%. Question number 98. Fruit squash contain minimum fruit juice as per PFA requirement. It is 25%. Question number 99. Soya protein concentrate contain protein answer: 70%. 100 number. The density of milk after fat separation is answer: increased. 101. Jelly sets at the end point temperature of answer: 105 degrees centigrade. Question 102. Marmalade must have answer: 1.25% pectin. 103. The fruits most suitable in human diet to avoid scurvy disease is answer: amla. Question 104. The flat sour spoilage of canned vegetable is due to answer: development of sour taste without gas production by microorganism. Question 105. Soybean is classified as answer: oilseed crop. Question number 106. The most acceptable preservative in fruit squash preparation is answer: potassium metabisulfite. Now question 107. Separated skim milk contain fat to the level of answer: 0.1 to 0.3%. Question 108. Intermediate moisture food contain moisture answer: 15 to 50%. Question 109. The shelf life of fruit jam is more than fruit jelly due to answer: higher sugar content. Question number 110. CCFS refers to answer: Central Committee for Food Standards. Question 111. Nestle Food Industry is located in answer: 4. Moga, Punjab. Question 112. Freezing of liquid food in freeze dryer worsen the principle of answer: freezing and sublimation of ice under vacuum. Question 113. The beanie flavor in soybean is prevented by answer: heat treatment of soya slurry. Question 114. Milk clot in boiling taste is positive at the acidity of answer 0.18% lactic acid. Question 115. Food freezing is carried out to reduce large ice crystal formation at the temperature not less than answer minus 18 degrees centigrade. Question 116. Red color in tomato is due to presence of answer lycopene. Question 117. Soya paneer differs from milk paneer. Answer more total solid. Question 118. Vinegar contain acetic acid concentration of answer 4 to 5% acetic acid. Question 119. Leafy vegetables are stored at relative humidity of answer not less than 90%. Now question number 120. Kimchi is fermented vegetable of answer cucumber. Thank you very much.